Alden with your update, and trending ngayon si Alice Twitter. Dahil may bagong blessing si Alden, yung pinahula pa nga. Guess who? The first male brand ambassador ng Casino Plus. Walang iba kundi si Alden Richards. Ito na nga yung post ni Alden, And color game. Sabi ni Alden, I'm glad to announce that I am the first male brand ambassador of Casino Plus PH. Excited na ako ma-experience ang masayang mga laro at mambigay ng malalaking premyo. But before that, let's have a giveaway first. Follow Casino Plus PH and CP Color Game for a chance to win a basketball with my autograph. Stay tuned to Casino Plus Facebook page for lucky winner of April 29. Join now. Ayun, bagong blessing ni Alden. And congrats kay Alden. Ay spotted si Alden dyan sa Laguna. Kinongrats din si Alden ng GMA Sparkle ng pagkawagi niya bilang Best Reality Show Host. Saka yung Battle of the Judges din, wagi rin. Congrats. Yung pang Celebrity Ambassador ng I Am Worldwide, isa dyan si Alden. Saka yung si Vanna Juwelier na endorsement ni Alden. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update po ang Charlie Ashton Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.